If your minimalist packing starts with a pile of maybe clothes, then you're not traveling light, you're traveling with decisions, and decisions are heavy. You need the comfort first minimalist system that cuts your bag and your brain load without sacrificing the things that make you feel good. Tip 1, the 2-question rule. Now this is how minimalist travel actually starts. Minimalist packing after 40 isn't about owning less, it's about deciding less. Because the real friction isn't the suitcase weight, it's the hotel room spiral. The, wait, does this top work with these pants? Which shoes do I wear with this? Or my favorite, why did I pack this? I don't even like it. So here's your rule. Before anything goes in your bag, it must answer yes to both of these questions. 1, would I wear this on a normal Tuesday at home? Question 2, does this work with at least 2 other items I'm packing? If it's a maybe, it fails. If it needs a special bra, special shoes, special shapewear, or special confidence, it fails. You want to build a trip where you wake up and get dressed in 90 seconds and feel fabulous once you're done. Tip 2, build a repeatable travel capsule. This is the biggest shift. You want to stop packing for this trip or that event. Pack a repeatable uniform. Because minimalist travel gets easy when your travel wardrobe becomes a template. The comfort first capsule formula. Pick one color lane. Not a strict capsule wardrobe aesthetic, just a lane. Some examples. Black and cream with one accent. Navy, white, and tan. Or just, neutrals with one happy color. Then your capsule is basically one travel day outfit that is worn, not packed. 2 to 3 bottoms you love, 3 to 5 tops that layer, 1 additional layer that easily elevates any outfit, 1 dress or one piece. Well, the dress or one piece is optional, but can be clutch if you get in the mood to. You'll also want sleepwear, and don't skimp here. You should luxuriate in your sleep on vacation. Personally, I never go anywhere without my silk PJs. And lastly, swim apparel, well, if applicable. Ultimately, you're not packing outfits, you're packing a mix and match grid. Now, if you're rocking natural deodorants that do not include an antiperspirant, the thought of re-wearing a shirt might scare the living daylights out of you. And that's where these new undergarments come in. They are close-fitting to the body, the bra line, and underarms, and are meant to soak up any sweat without looking bulky or changing the natural shape of your outfit. They're easy to pack, don't take up any space, and can extend the wear of your clothes. Obviously they're not necessary, but I find them handy. All right, circling back to the travel day outfit just for a bit. You want to make sure this outfit can handle what may get thrown at you, like walking, sitting for hours, or temperature swings. And of course, looking put together without any actual effort. And you'll want to include a travel layer, as this is the magic piece that serves so many roles. It provides warmth on the plane or in a chilly restaurant, can double as a lumbar pillow or blanket, and can really pull together your outfit and help you look polished when you travel. Tip number 3, avoid overpacking. Use container limits. So most people try to pack less with willpower, but willpower fails when you're up late packing the night before and you start playing the what if game and just throw in whatever. Minimalist travelers use container limits instead. As a minimalist travel, you know the size of your luggage you're bringing and how much of that luggage can be dedicated to the packing cubes with your clothes. And most importantly, you use a system. 1 cube for your tops, 1 cube for your bottoms and your dresses, 1 cube for your sleep stuff, so your PJs and your hair turban and eye mask if you use, and 1 small bag for underwear, bras, and socks. And underwear is another place where you don't want to skimp. Go ahead and bring 1 for each day of your trip. All right, now the rule, when the cube is full, you're done. Not, I'll try to squeeze in just 1 more thing. Done. And why does this work? Because it makes duplicates obvious. 2 pairs of leggings. Why? 3 just-in-case tops. No need. And you're packing by category so your brain can find things fast. And you're letting the container be the boundary. Tip 4, the 3-shoe rule. This is where minimalist travel either succeeds or collapses. So here's the rule: no more than 3 pairs. Pair 1, the all-day shoe. This is your airport shoe, the city shoe, the I can walk without thinking shoe. Pair 2 is the slightly polished shoe. Still walkable, no breaking in needed, but able to be worn to a nice dinner. Pair 3, only needed if water is involved. Flip-flops or sandals, not both, pick one. And that's it. Tip 5, toiletries, where you should pack your real routine. Now this is where people overpack without realizing it. You pack for a version of yourself who on vacation is totally going to do a 7-step beauty routine. Meanwhile, real vacation you considers it a win when you remember to moisturize before bed. The minimalist toiletry rule: if you don't use it regularly at home, it doesn't travel. You want to bring your daily essentials only and the smallest size that covers the trip. And nothing that requires motivation. And if you want the true minimalist comfort, reduce leak risk and mess risk, because nothing kills calm like opening your toiletry bag and finding the liquid yuck. You want to use a leak-proof system, quality containers, leaving roughly 25% of the container empty, and add a simple barrier so your container's cap isn't doing all the work alone. And if leaks drive you nuts, I'll link my exact leak-proof setup below. Tip 6, personal item packing as a system. Minimalist travel isn't only about the suitcase, it's also about what you touch all day, your personal item. Because if your underseat bag is chaos, then your entire day feels like chaos. So use a simple pouch system with categories your brain can remember. A proven layout is an essentials pouch for things you reach for constantly, a just-in-case pouch for your sleep mask, earplugs, and compression socks, that kind of stuff. Your seat back pouch, that's for your tech, your cords, and the key items you'll need in your seat. And a snacks pouch because, well, hanger is real. And once your bag is categorized, you stop digging, you stop repacking at the gate, and you stop losing things in your seat. Now this was just the high-level overview. I have a full video on packing the perfect personal item linked below. Step 7, plan for purchases. When it comes to souvenirs or other stuff you buy when you're traveling the globe, you need to plan for it in advance, meaning you leave room in your bag specifically for these items. Or in my case, once a year I bring an entire small carry-on size luggage with me that I fill completely with European skincare items, because they really do have the best stuff. And basically, you gotta plan for your purchases, because if you don't, something new can't come in unless something else goes out. Most often, this is going to look like you wearing your bulkiest items on the plane home. It may not make for the most comfortable flight, but you know, that's the trade-off. Or the most minimalist thing you can do is don't buy anything. Let your photos and your memories be your souvenirs. You can still support the local community by eating at locally owned restaurants, hiring local guides, and leaving reviews for local businesses. All right, the recap rundown. Use the 2-question rule. Would I wear it at home? And does it match 2 items? Pack a repeatable capsule. Use container limits or packing cubes so overpacking can't sneak in. Follow the 3-shoe rule. All day, polished, water only. Pack your real toiletry routine. Pack your personal items strategically. And lastly, plan for purchases. All right, that's minimalist travel without sacrificing comfort, with fewer decisions, fewer duplicates, and a system you can repeat on autopilot. Subscribe for more calm, organized travel routines, and if you want next steps, check out the ultimate personal item packing strategy next.